Hello. Normal Sculpt, Quick Shots, Part 30. Um, a snowball, I think it's the right name. I'm in. Yes, there was a post in the Normal Sculpt forum on Facebook, and yes, let's do it in Normal Sculpt. Poly count is for this snowball 117,000 pixels vertices. Okay, let's create a new scene. Yes. We can start with the sphere, but I turn on the wire and go back with the subdivision and delete higher and reverse it. Yes, I think it's okay. This division is good. Okay, scale it a little bit. And we need the tube tool, and let's use the path, and we need such a curve. Yes. The lower the poly count should be the less nodes we add. Okay. In the topology, reduce it to 3, and this we also need only 3, I think. Radius, adjust the radius, make it real thin. Scale inside. Yes. Yeah, I think it's okay. Okay, we can validate this object. Turn on the gizmo. Go in the side view or front view. And at the left side, adjust the pivot. And now you can place the pivot This is the anchor point of the object. Rotate the view to the left view. And here we can align it. Front view. We have to adjust the position of the pivot. I think this position is right. The green in this direction, the red up. Okay, I think it works. Unlock the pivot or lock it. And now we can go to the transform tool, choose only the move and the snapping. Okay, and go to the insert tool, take the outline on, and let's start the thing. Lock at the bottom, you can lock it. And now we can place our fluffy . pick. I hope it's not too loud. And here we can also place a few. And now when we get a rotation here, we can go to the transform tool, activate rotate, and bring this in position. Unlock it, and yes. And now we can use the insert tool again and change it to move. Sorry. Insert. And place a few more of the, yes. You have more time to do this and rearrange it. But I think it's okay. It looks very fluffy. This one, why can't I pick it? Okay, this one we don't need anymore. And in the scene menu, we can select all, draw only with a pencil along, and simple merge the object. And you can also simple merge it with the sphere in the middle. Simple merge it. Go to the front view and select a tube again. We only need a path. Here in the tube settings you can set it start and snapping, and oops, I think it's okay. Turn on snap function and reduce the radius to a very small radius, and snapping works. And don't forget to reduce the topology. We only need here also 3, and here yeah, 2 divisions is okay. More we don't need. Validate the object. And we can also simple merge this. In the front view, we add a sphere. Zoom the sphere a little bit bigger, and that you can see it, and adjust it in this direction a little bit. And I think it's okay. And now we can scale it down. It's too big. So front view, bring it in position. Left view, position, and validate the object. We can scale it a little bit. Yeah, okay. I think it's okay. Give it a color. Such a brown one. And now we can simple merge the 2 objects. Okay, Fine. Now we need the anchor position for this object. Front view. Activate the pivot and bring it down this position. Change the view to the side view left. Bring it in this position. Let's zoom a little bit in. It's okay. I think the anchor is okay. Pivot activated. Okay. Now we need a sphere to place it on. Scale a little bit. Bring it here. And subdivision. I think we need such a subdivision. We can bring it in position to see it's the right size. Yes. I think we can work with it. Validate the object. And this one we can bring to the side here. And now we need transform. Move is activated, snap is active, and we need the insert tool, clone, and turn the symmetry off. And at the bottom, turn on lock. And now we can place here our fluffy parts. This is real fun. Snowball building. It goes real fast. It's a real funny thing, eh? I think we got it. I think I forgot one. Okay. Now the snowball is ready. Which one is this one is okay, and this is a sphere, and these are all our primitives. Select them. And we can simple merge it. Have you forgot one? Simple merge. Now the snowball is complete. We need the foliage, blätter, leaves, the leaves, okay. We add a plane. and we activate snap, bring it in this view, and scale it a little bit. We need only half. I think this is okay. We can go in the solo view and reset the view, and we can change the division. And I think this is okay. We can validate the object. Front view. We can use the move brush, normal function off, symmetry off, and adjust the radius a little bit. And let's sculpt the half side of a leaf. I think it's real thin. I think it's okay. We can use the symmetry local gizmo. Where's our show plane? Okay, we have to do it the other way. Move origin. And here we can change the symmetry to the world center, adjust the plane to mirror, and then we mirror from the left to the right, and our leaf is okay. We can use the move brush, turn on the symmetry, and you can give it a little bit make the size a little bit bigger. Okay. We need the gizmo, and we have to adjust the pivot, the anchor point of this part. Left view, snapping off, and now it's like this, and we need a little bit more like this, I think. Let's test it. Pivot active. We need a sphere. This division is okay. And select this one. Transform, move is active, snap is on, insert is on, and lock it. And place the leaves here. I think it's okay. Remember, you can rotate the objects. You can try it also with the radial symmetry, but I do it with the insert tool now. To have a little bit variation. Rotate off. The rotation function is not very convenient sometimes. I think we can turn off symmetry. Okay, fine. Use smooth. Solo lock, turn the lock off. You can use the smooth function, select all the leaves and simple merge it. And we forgot to turn off the symmetry. You can use the trim function, symmetry off, lasso, and trim it away. Now this leaf we don't need anymore. We can delete it. And the sphere we also don't need anymore. We can paint it with green. And leave the solo view. And now we need the gizmo to adjust it a little bit. And bring it in position. Turn off the wire. Yes, we can make it a little bit smaller. Like this, and a little bit longer. I think it works. Okay. And the last step, a tube. We can create a path. And reduce the topology. Here we need, I think, only 6 is okay. And the radius. And we use the snap function, snap it, and we can turn off the show plane and give it a green color. I think everything is okay. Validate the object. We can turn off the outline. And now I think it's okay. Yes, you can color it a little bit different, and here's this, the master piece. Okay, perspective view. That's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.